God will make up for lost time, so don't you worry. Today I want to talk to you about that. I know it may sound like I created a video a couple weeks ago in terms of this topic here, but I want to say something to you because I remembered for me a while back, this was maybe about 3 4 years ago. I wanted to venture out in terms of like content creation, and I felt like I was getting a fight at the time. I felt like when I wanted to start it, there was just so many things in my way, so much distraction. So I felt like it was just an ongoing battle. And not just that, even in my past, every time I wanted to do something, I had a passion, I had a vision for it, and I felt like I didn't have enough support around me. It was just constant fight. And, as I'm getting older, and last year it just hit me, I turned 40 last year, and I'm like, am I going to get the chance to do what I always wanted to do? I hold these thoughts to myself. I question myself, and I'm like, wow, time is really running out. And then suddenly, I don't know, it felt like, I think maybe because I was praying on it so much. And I was like, God, I need your guidance. I need your help. I need you to help me get to the process of what I really want to do. I really need support because who's around me aren't supporting me. In fact, they laugh at me because they think I'm nobody and I'm not going to get anywhere and this and that. And even like right now, I'm not at my best, but you know what? Something changed. I don't know, it's because I hit 40. I don't know. I just have this no cure mentality, meaning like I don't care what anyone thinks about me at this point. I'm going for it. So I felt like everything was just coming at me. Ideas. I'm starting to memorize. And when I say memorize, like I could just populate with this idea 2 weeks ago, right? And sometimes you may think about something and it just goes away. For me, the 2 weeks ago, when I thought about an idea or topics rather, it's like I remember it. It just keeps coming. And I felt like until I deliver, then that's where I could let it go. But I just felt like these ideas, everything was in alignment. And now I can say I have the opportunity to work on what I am passionate about. You see, I speak on this 2 weeks ago also. Everything, I don't know why I'm going back on 2 weeks ago, but I spoke on when people don't support you, sometimes God will shift your reach to people who understand or need exactly what you need. And that's what I'm saying. Now, prior changes things, y'all. And I'm saying this to say you may feel like you've lost time. It may be something that you were passionate about, something that you wanted to do. And because you keep delaying it and you just never, completed it, you feel unfulfilled at this point. Well, let me tell you, if you pray about it and you ask God to restore and to help you to the process of it, I believe He will make up for lost time because I feel like God is doing that for me right now. And, as I'm feeling this and as I know that it's happening just because I feel like everything is in alignment, which is why I create these videos to help you, to help push you from point A to point B so that you can go and thrive to your full potential. Sometimes all we need is a little push. Sometimes all we need is a word of encouragement. Sometimes all we need is the right person at the right time to tell us what you can do and the potential that you have. Because truth be told, the person that you are with or your friends and family, they aren't telling you because most time they project their fears on you because they aren't capable enough to do it. They aren't educated. They didn't get the ideas from you. They didn't see the vision. God gave you the vision, but you open up your mouth to the wrong person. And as a result, sometimes they just shoot it down, right? They don't see it. But let me say something to you. If you pray about it, God will put the right person in front of you to help you with the process to move forward. Because a lot of times when you don't get that push, and not that we're looking for gratification, but sometimes you just need a little word of encouragement. And that's why I don't seek it from people anymore. I seek it in a Bible. I read my Bible now. I'm starting to read up scriptures that is relating to the things that I want to do. And that, my friend, is giving me the power. It's giving me that mindset. It's giving me the capability to say, you know what? Move forward. Keep showing up. Show up and show out. So I know what I'm talking about. I don't know. It wasn't years ago. That wasn't me. I used to care about what people would say or think about me, and they would, um, say such and such, and I would like, you know what? Maybe this person is true, but not anymore. Because here's what I assess: a lot of time, people who have a lot to tell you or information they want to share with you, they know nothing about it. They have no education about it. They have no credibility about it. And they want to tell you the most. So it's best to go to credible source or go on YouTube and find mentors or find an actual in-person mentor. But like I said, that's what I started to do. Find people online who is doing the same exact thing or very similar things. Go to the good Lord in prayer, read my Bible, and from there, I don't know, my understanding, clarity, something hit different this year. So I'm telling you this: you may want to do something and you may keep putting it off. But let me tell you, God would make up for lost time if you feel like you've been missing out. Listen, if He has done it for me, then I know that He can do it for you. Okay? And let me tell you, timing is everything. So even though you may feel like you lost time, timing is everything, because God knows what's best on His time and not yours. Okay? And I know I may say a lot here, but I want you to be encouraged. So for you, my friend, maybe you want to start that business, or maybe started YouTube, or you wanted to be a content creator, or you wanted to start your own daycare. Whatever it is that you want to do, seek approval from God. This means read the Bible, find a scripture that is related to something that you wanted to do, pray about it, ask Him for direction, ask Him to speak to you. How do you know the answer? Because once everything starts to be in alignment and you're not having any difficulty or any problems, then you'll know that you're in alignment. Okay? Let me tell you something. If you tried something that did not work for you, that's okay. Don't give up. Keep going at it, because every mistakes are learning lessons. I want you to understand that. Don't be easily to give up too quickly now. Don't do that. If you tried it a couple times and you said, okay, you know what, this is not the direction you want to go at this point, then nothing is wrong rerouting. But don't give up too quickly, because often when you're at the end where your breakthrough is about to come, that's when you give up. And a lot of time we missed our blessing in the process. So what I'm saying is, you may feel like, you've lost some time, but if you go in prayers and supplication, I feel like God will help you through the process of it. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you, because He has done it for me. And I want to encourage you. And I hope this message finds you well. I want to hear your thoughts on this. Let's talk about it.